everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what is going to happen on Uzalo from the 8th to the 12th of February 2021 on Monday. Kapsile and Kabanga's home and church hangs by a thread as Mpambani hits up with investigation. Mamlambo concludes her ceremony in style and the divorce party pauses many after effects on Tuesday. The investigation closes in on a murder suspect. Mamlambo asks a huge favor from Zeketelo. Sbu and Figile's plan backfire on them on Wednesday. Kapsile starts to prepare herself for a day of reckoning. Fikile and Sbu's loyalty to the Mhlongo pays off in a big way. Nonka plays a hardball with the sale of her wedding dress on Thursday. Kapsile extended an invitation to Mpambani to a special church service on Monday where all will be revealed. Zeketelo cut the umbilical cord that binds her to the Mhlongos and Sbu takes on his role as a manager at the Penebites on Friday. Kapsile is ready to give up her freedom to clear her conscience. Mamlambo and Zeketelo makes plan to return to Kwamashu, but this proves more difficult than anticipated. Nonka is turned off by Pelani's sentiments about Valentine's Day. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Till we meet again, I love you so much guys. Bye.